today I'm going to be diving into some new products, and these products are from Palmer's, and this was in the latest Curlbox, so I just wanted to go ahead and get a jump start on it. So I'm going to be using everything in the line today, and of course I'll give you a closer look, but we're gonna go ahead and start off with the shampoo because this hair is dirty. So off the bat, this has a really good lather. And I know some people don't really care for lather, but I do because it lets me know exactly where the soap is. And this has a really good lather and it smells good. One thing to always remember, especially with type 4 hair, when you are massaging your scalp, don't massage your hair. Don't go like this and massage all your hair because that's going to make your hair a little more matted. So you want to go inside and then massage, because then your hair is just kind of like on top doing its own thing. I honestly don't feel like I need to do 2 washes, because even though I haven't rinsed this out, as I'm going through my hair, it already feels clean. So next I'm going to go in with the conditioner, and this is the coconut butter and biotin conditioner. And I am just basically going to use this to detangle, because I don't really use conditioners that often, but with it coming all together, I do at least want to give it a chance. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in and detangle. It's actually pretty thick. I like that. So with the products I received, I didn't receive a deep conditioner. So today I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So I'm just going to use this as my as my deep conditioner. And then I'm going to let this sit for probably around like 30 to 45 minutes. 45. After the 45 minutes, I'm going to come back and continue to use the rest of the line. But for now, this is what I'm going to throw in my hair. So I'm going to put on my cap and let this deep conditioner sit. But one thing I did want to bring up that I really hope works with this line, because I feel like with biotin, you automatically think growth, but this one actually says length retention, and I am praying that that works. Because it does say it addresses breakage, damage, and split ends by keeping the hair and scalp moisturized, fortified, and healthy in order to achieve optimum growth potential. So it's talking a really good game, so I'm praying that it really does do what it says, because I personally have a hard time with length retention. But I also think that's from the lack of me getting my ends trimmed. Even though I've just made recently a whole video about making sure I'm getting my ends trimmed and making sure I'm doing it on time, all that kind of stuff, time gets away quickly. Like, I feel like I need to set something in my calendar that says trim, make sure you're getting it, because I don't know, it just slips my mind. But let me keep this in for a little bit and then we'll get started on the rest.
All in all, these products from Palmer's were very moisturizing and they left my hair with a pretty nice shine. I would really like to try these products on stretched hair to see if the definition would hold better there. I think that I actually picked it out a little too much here, so I think next time I'm going to try that. But all in all, these products were pretty good. Let me know what you thought of my results in the comments below. And even if you have a suggestion on something that I should do or a different technique, let me know. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.